Hello dear students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. I am Ankur Sharma. In this session we are going to discuss about signals and system and very important topic, that is discrete time Fourier series. As you all aware about that guys, discrete signals and system playlist we have almost completed. We are just left with the last chapter, that is discrete time Fourier analysis. And I told you due to some hectic schedule I was not able to complete that time. So that is why I told that many students are continuously messaging me, or even in the comment section also you have written multiple time. So that is why guys I will take some other sessions also for control system as well as for digital. But first I will complete this signals part. So here this is the lecture number 66 or 67. You can just go through the playlist. And first of all, you should just confirm audio and video so that we can start the session. I think audio video is clear guys. Chaliye. So let's start the class. First of all student, this discrete time Fourier series we have already started in the last session. Today is the discrete time Fourier series part 2. But first we will have a quick discussion of whatever we have discussed in the last class, and followed by we will discuss about the examples and the gate questions and all. Okay. Yes. So guys, here we have, first of all student, I just have a quick update about the program features. Gate 25-26 IMS Gate Academy provide or offer 3 type of batches guys. We have the offline batches also in the Bangalore, Vijayawada. We have the online live batches as well as the hybrid batch also. And we have SLP self-learning program also. So when you will join in the live online program guys, you will get 800 plus live lecture access, theory book, exercise books which contain 5000 plus practice question, 4000 plus practice question, 34-year gate question booklet which contain guys overall, which contain in every branch guys 2000 plus questions including engineering, maths and aptitude. Okay. So 34-year gate question booklet with video solution. We are also providing the QR code. 12 personalized one-to-one mentorship session. You will get 130 plus online test series where you have the chapter test, where you have the basic level subject test, advanced level subject test, as well as multiple subject test and many more. So if you have any doubt regarding the features or regarding the IMS Gate Academy offering, you can just contact here guys if you are looking for the Gate 25-26 preparation, and if you really want to secure a good rank in the upcoming Gate exam, then here you will get more than your expectation, and this is the one-stop solution for the Gate aspirants, because we are providing everything in terms of content, in terms of practice question, in terms of mentorship, in terms of comprehensive course content. So guys, if you have not joined yet our Telegram group, first of all you should join our Telegram group. The link of Telegram is given in the description. Once you will join the Telegram group, you will get all the information about the free YouTube classes as well as the PDF of YouTube classes also. So now students, just have a quick revision of whatever we have discussed till the last classes. So discrete time Fourier series, if you will go through the playlist guys, playlist link also I will tell to technical team, they will add in the description. Okay, so it will be easy for you to identify. So let me take the different colors of pen here. Okay, chali. So now guys, just make a heading DTFS, what we are discussing right now, this DTFS, discrete time Fourier series. In the last class we had a discussion about the formulas. As far as formulas are concerned, we already discussed. I am just taking a quick revision of the formulas guys. So x of n is nothing but sigma of k equal to 0 to n minus 1, and here is, if I am relating the Fourier series coefficient as a ck e to the power plus j 2 pi upon capital N into kn. So this is my formula of DTFS, discrete time Fourier series, and where ck is there, where ck is nothing but discrete time Fourier series coefficient, Fourier series coefficient. And we know that the CK formula is nothing but, sometime it is examiner has given AK also. So the notation can be CK, can be AK, can be BK, okay. So the notation will be 1 by n, you can write here sigma of n equal to 0 to n minus 1, and here you can write as a x of n dot e to the power minus ka j 2 pi upon capital N into kn. So guys, this is nothing but the discrete time Fourier series formula. This is nothing but the discrete time Fourier series formulas. Yes. So just keep these formulas in the box. So this is nothing but DTFS formula that we already discussed in the last class. So whatever we'll discuss in the next 5 to 10 minutes, it is just a recap of the last 65 lecture. I think it is a 66 lecture. So this is all about discrete time DTFS. I should write here, this is all about DTFS. And student, if you want to relate with the continuous time Fourier transform CTFS, so I just remind you, we just recall the CTFS formulas as well. So CTFS formula is nothing but, guys, I hope you remember xt. If it is a continuous time signal, then here also we have sigma, this time n equal to minus infinity to infinity, and this time Cn e to the power plus Jn omega 0 t, and where Cn is the Fourier series coefficient and the formula is 1 by t close integral from minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. Here we have x of t dot e ki power minus Jn omega 0 t. So this is formula is all about CTFS, continuous time Fourier series CTFS, and this is all about DTFS. Right now our heading is discrete time Fourier series. So guys, you must reply in the chat box, or because you have requested many times. However, I have not shared the session link, so maybe some students will watch and recording. But if you want that I will take more sessions of control, signals and digital, then you have to be attend the session in the live manner, so that we have a motivation to teach you in the live classes. Otherwise we will record the session and we will upload as a premiere, or we will just upload the recorded videos. Okay guys, so this is all our DTFS, this is all our CTFS, and we have also discussed in the last class some important properties of DTFS. I hope you remember the DTFS important property. The first property is nothing but CK equal to CK plus N. It means where capital N is the fundamental time period, where capital N is the fundamental time period. It means, guys, your Fourier series coefficient always satisfied periodicity condition. It means suppose that I am just assuming my let capital N equal to 8, then your C0 should be equal to C8, should be equal to C16, should be equal to C32, and so on. Your C1 should be equal to C9, should be equal to C17, should be equal to C even 88, so it should be 24 also. 32 I am writing, but 32 can be before that, 24 also can come, and 32 anyway will come. Even if you want, then 40 will also come, like that 48 will come, like this. So I hope you are you guys getting the point. After every 8 interval it will repeat itself. So the value of C0 is equal to C8, 16, 24, like this. Similarly, 1, 9, 17 will be equal to C25, then equal to 33, then even equal to C41, and so on. Even C minus 1 should also equal to C7, should equal to C15, should equal to C23, should equal to C30 on, and so on. So this is all about we discussed in the last classes, and whatever I am writing right now, based on this concept also, back to back in 2014 and 15, electronics student gate question has been asked. So we will discuss about that particular question also, guys. We will discuss about that particular question also. We will discuss about that particular question also. Okay. Chali. So we will discuss that question, guys. Now here, this question we already discussed in the last classes. So this is the first question of today's class, which is based on the periodic condition. So just read the question carefully. Here x of n value is given to you, and asking for x of n be a periodic signal with the period 16. It means capital N value is given to you, that is 16. That is 16. If DFS coefficient, discrete Fourier series coefficients, are defined by AK, are defined by AK, this. The value of the coefficient A31 is. Now my dear student, just now we discussed that discrete time Fourier series coefficient CK or whatever it is representing right now, it is represented by AK. So CK or AK, whatever the representation of the discrete time Fourier series coefficient, it must satisfy periodicity condition. It means if the fundamental time period is 16 na sir, then AK should be equal to AK plus capital N, and here capital N is 16, so it means AK must be equal to AK plus 16. I hope this is clear to you guys. Now you can tell me कि sir, if K value is 0, then A0 should be equal to A16, should be equal to A32, should be equal to 48 and so on. Similarly, sir, A1 should be equal to A17, should be equal to A33, should be equal to A49 and so on. Similarly, A minus 1 should be equal to A15, should be equal to A31. It is asking for A31 guys. It's equal to A47 and so on. So if you know this concept, it means examiner is asking for A31 and you know that A31 is actually equal to A minus 1 only, is equal to A minus 1 only. So what you have to do, first of all, can we convert this cos expression into sine in exponential? Yes, we can definitely convert in. So x of n equal to 1 plus, I am just converting this cos expression into exponential. So e ki power plus j pi n upon 8 plus e की power minus का j pi by 8 into n upon 2. So this is my bracket close guys. And do you know the formula of x of n? Sir, x of n formula is nothing but sigma of k equal to 0 to n minus 1, and here we have ck e की power plus j 2 pi by capital N into kn. So if you want to compare the CK value from the exponential coefficient, then exponential power should be e की power j 2 pi by capital N. And here it is pi by 8. And do you know the n value is 16. So if I will multiply 2 here, and if I will multiply 2 also here, 2 also here, 2 also here, then the new equation that I will write in the next slide, because I don't have space here. So the new equation will be look like this guys, x of n equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 is outside, 1 by t is outside, and then e की power j, e की power plus j 2 pi by, don't you think you should multiply this 8 to ja 16, so e की power j 2 pi by 16 into n, 2 pi by 16 into n, 2 pi by 16 into n, plus again 1 by 2 e की power minus का j, similarly 2 pi by 16 into n. Just cross check again. E की power minus का j 2 pi upon 8 to ja 8 into 2, 8 into 2, 8 to ja 16 upon 2 I already taken outside. Upon 2 I already taken outside, yes. So now student, you can easily compare the coefficients value. This is the value of C0, because if you will put the value of K0, then this is the value of C0. This will give you K value 1. So it means this is C1, because e की power j 2 pi by capital N into Kn. So K value is 1 here. Because of K value 1 here, the coefficient of e की power j 2 pi by 16 into n, this coefficient will give you as a, actually not ck, it is a, because coefficient is a given, not c given. So this is a1. And similarly this value guys, e की power plus j 2 pi by 16 into n, or k value is minus 1 actually, this k value is minus 1. So it means this coefficient is nothing but a minus 1. And we know that our answer is equal to what? A31 should be equal to a minus 1 sir. So a minus 1 should be equal to A31 and should be equal to half only. So this is the only correct answer for this question, and it is a numerically empty question guys. So half you have to type here as a 0.5. So 0.5 will be the correct answer for the question. This is nothing but your answer. 0.5. Just make it fast. All of you guys just do it fast. I will be more happy if you will reply in the chat box. Yes, if you are getting this, And whenever you will watch in the recording, if you like the playlist, if you like the content, then you should reply in the chat, in the comment section, not in chat section, comment section. Whatever your true experience, no one is right now forcing you to write it. But once you will, we can say that very much satisfied with the, and once you will think that ki sir, I am very much impressed with the content, I am very happy. If you have that much feeling, then guys, you should definitely comment your true feeling, your true experience, your honest experience in the comment section, so that it will be helpful for the future learners. Okay, it will be helpful for the future learners. I hope it is clear to you guys. I hope this is crystal clear to you guys. Chaliye, so shall we go for next slide? I think this question we have completed. Correct answer is half. Chaliye, now we are going for the next question. Again, EC24. The similar pattern of question, however, the data value has been changed, the language also has been changed. Just read the question carefully. Consider a discrete time periodic signal x of n. Consider a discrete time periodic signal x of n, that is sin pi n by 5. Let ak be the complex Fourier series coefficient of x of n. The coefficient ak are non-zero when k equal to bm plus minus 1, where m is any integer. The value of capital B is what? So student, first of all, because it is a discrete time Fourier series question is there, so you know the formula also. I am just recalling the formula here, just writing the formula. So student, formula says that k equal to 0. Here ak, so I can write the formula in terms of ak also. Ak, ck, whatever the coefficient, ak, e ki power plus j 2 pi by capital N into kn. This is the formula that you know. This is the DTFS formula. Now coming to this question, can I convert my x of n into exponential form so that I can compare the coefficient with this standard formula easily? So I need to convert sign expression in the exponential form. So I must write here e ki power plus j pi n upon 5 and minus e ki power minus j pi by 5 into n upon twice of j. I hope this is clear to you guys. So this is your x of n. This is your x of n, e ki power plus j pi n by 5 minus e ki power minus ka j pi by 5 into n upon 2j. Now student, you can tell me, ki, sir, what is the capital N here? Because if I want to compare with the exponential coefficient, it will give me e ki power j 2 pi by capital N into kn. And here it is pi only. So again I have to multiply with 2 in numerator and denominator. In numerator and denominator I have to multiply with this. And once I will multiply, this equation will be like this. I am just writing 1 by 2j separately. So 1 by 2j e to the power plus j 2 pi by 5 to the 10. So it will be 2 pi by 5 to the 10 into n. And again it will give me minus ka 1 by 2j. And it will give me e ki power minus ka j 2 pi by 5 to the 10 into n. So I hope this is again clear to you guys. This is again clear to you. Now you can compare the value of capital N, or capital N is nothing but 10 here. Capital N is nothing but 10 here. And it is saying that ki AK, where K, it means AK is here actually. AK should be equal to what? Examiner is saying that BM plus 1 or AK equal to A BM minus 1, like that, plus minus 1. And do you know that it satisfies this AK equal to actually A into, it satisfy, of course, it satisfy what guys? EK plus N plus K, it satisfied or not? It satisfied N plus K or not? Just do reply fast, yes or no. So student, here what examiner is saying, ki sir, N is 10 na, then definitely for sure A1 should be equal to A11 and should be equal to A21, should be equal to A31 and so on. And A minus 1 should be repeat itself after 10 fundamental time period, because N is 10. So it should be A9, it should be equal to A19, it should be equal to A29 and so on. Now students, somehow you have to find the relation between K and Bm plus 1. So tell me, if k equal to bm plus 1 where m is any integer, so tell me initially, if I will put the b value what? Because 1 should be equal to 11, 1 should be equal to 21, like that. So if for m value 1, if I will put the value m, b value 10, then what you will get? 10 plus 1, 11. So here k value is 1 and it is equal to what? 11. Okay. Now next guys, when you will put m value 2 here, m value 2, still capital B is 10. So 10 to the 20 plus 1, 21. Then again m value 3, so it will be 31. It means it is satisfied guys, 1, 11, 21. It means it is satisfied guys. Dekho, 1 is equal to 11, 21, 31. It means capital B value should be, it's actually aptitude question. It is actually a reasoning question. If you know the concept, then only calculation will left, and calculation will become very easy for you if you are fast in aptitude or reasoning. Just do it fast. Just do fast this question guys. Just do it fast. I am just waiting for you. Just do it fast. I am just waiting for you. Yes. So one more beautiful question. It is a 2 marks question I think, and asked in electronics and communication student 2014. And it's a very good question, very nice question. I hope you guys completed till now. And both the question back to back we have seen, it is based on the properties of discrete time, Fourier series, periodicity property. It means AK is equal to AK plus N or CK is equal to CK plus N, whatever coefficients value you are taking. So this is again a very good question. I must say that important question, again conceptual question. If you know the concept, you can just tick mark on this question. You can solve this question without using notebook and pen, and that I always prefer to told, हवा में उड़ा देंगे. You can solve this question in हवा में. If you are able to solve the question without using notebook and pen, that is called हवा में उड़ाना. Can you solve this question in air guys without using notebook and pen? At least you should have an attempt. If you will watch in recording, also you should pause the video and you should try it. So many students are doing mistake here because they just converting this expression into exponential. So if you will just convert in the exponential now, so what we will do now guys, whatever questions has been asked till now in the last 34 years from this topic DTFS, we cover in the class itself. We are covering in this YouTube session only. We are covering all the DTFS question in this session only. And if you are a sincere aspirant for GATE 25-26, you must watch all the 65 remaining videos. When you will watch it, you will get the importance of the lecture. This playlist will become India's best signals and system playlist. India's best. Okay. And you can see the comments of students. You can see the feeling of students in the comment section. Chaliye guys. So x of n is equal to cos pi by 4 into n. So when you will convert this, it will become e ki power j pi by 4 into n and plus e ki power minus ka j pi by 4 into n and upon 2. So this is your x of n. This is your x of n. Ye e ki power j pi by 4 into n plus e ki power minus ka j pi by 4 upon 2. Ye. And what examiner asking guys? Ki which option is correct? So tell me fatafat what is omega 0 first of all. E ki power j omega 0 n. So omega 0 value for sure pi by 4. And what students are doing? Students just converting this and just say option is wrong. And I am telling you, if you want to try, just pause the video and try it. And when you will try na guys, if you will watch in recording, then also you can pause the video and you can. And right now if you are saying just try to attempt it. Just try to attempt it. I am giving you a surety, there is a chance of error. There is a scope of mistake, and that mistake will give you negative marking instead of positive marking. Very easy question, but you can only solve if you are conceptually sound. Omega 0 pi by 4, what you need to do, if you know the formula, you will never wrong. Action formula. Formula is nothing but sigma of k equal to 0 to n minus 1, and here is ak or ck whatever, e की power plus j 2 pi by capital N into kn. So in the numerator we should have 2 pi. In the numerator we should have 2 pi, but here is only pi. So first we need to convert e की power plus j 2 pi by capital 8, because if I will multiply 2 in the numerator, I should multiply in denominator also. So that is by 4 to 8. So plus here e to the power minus ka j, it will be 2 pi by 8 into n, and what it will be guys, upon 2. I hope it is clear to you. Now you can compare the coefficient e की power j 2 pi by 8. So your fundamental time period capital N will be what? 8 only. And your omega 0 value will be what? Your omega 0 value will be definitely 2 pi by 8. So pi by 4 only. Omega 0 value already I have written here. Now tell me, if n is 8, so don't you think, if n is 8, don't you think your A0 should be equal to A8 and should be equal to A16 like this? Similarly, A1 should be equal to A9, should be equal to A17 and so on. It should be equal to A minus 1 should be equal to A7, should be equal to A15 and so on. I hope this is crystal clear to you. I hope this is crystal clear to you. Yeah. I hope this is crystal clear to you. So do reply fast guys. Can I replace this minus 1 value as a A7? Minus 1, can I replace as a 7? Yes sir, we can replace. So if I will replace it, what I will get? Again you can cancel it, no problem. Why I multiply? Because you can compare the minus 1 to next 7. So again 2, 8 cancel. So e की power j pi by 4 into n and plus e की power minus ka j pi by 4. And this minus 1 I am replacing with 7. Minus 1 I am replacing with plus 7 n upon 2. And do you know pi by 4 is what? Pi by 4 is omega 0. So if I will replace this, then my answer is e की power plus ka j omega 0 n like that. And e की power plus ka 7j omega 0 n upon 2. I hope you are getting this. I hope you guys getting this. And this is nothing but your x of n value. This is nothing but your x of n value. I hope it is clear. And what is omega 0? What is omega 0? Omega 0 is pi by 4. Correct answer is option number D for Delhi. Half into e की power j omega 0 n plus half e की power 7j omega 0 n, and omega 0 is this. Correct answer is option number D for Delhi guys. Correct answer is D for Delhi only. Is this clear to you? Is this clear to you? Just do reply. बोलो प्यारे बच्चों, shall we go for next or wait? Shall we go for next or wait? So very good question, and we must say that conceptual question here is a scope of negative marking, because if you don't know the concept, there is a high chance that you will apply option number A, because generally student convert into cos e की power j like that. So option A is wrong only. Chali. So again one more beautiful question, 2 marks question asked in GATE recent year 22 EE branch. So let's see this question guys. Just read the question and try to attempt it. Just read the question and try to attempt it. I am just writing here this. Discrete time Fourier series representation of a signal action where n is this. Discrete time signal capital N equal to 3 has the non-zero Fourier series coefficient a minus 3 equal to 2 and a4 equal to 1. The signal is. So student, first of all, if you know capital N equal to 3, so if capital N value is 3 given to me, Then what is your first object concept? Sir, A0 should be equal to A3, should be even equal to reverse side also A minus 3, should be equal to A6, should be equal to A9. I should not write again and again, it is similar type. Similarly guys, I can say that A1 should be equal to A4, should be equal to A7, like this. Like this. Are bolo bachcho, yes or no? And even you can say that A10 like this. Similarly, if I will write A minus 1 also, I must write. So what is A minus 1 guys? Are bolo na A minus 1. A minus 1 should be equal to what? A2 should be equal to what? A5 should be equal to what? A8 and so on. I hope this is clear to you guys. I hope this is clear to you. It should be equal to A minus 2 also. क्या बोलते हो? Yes or no? It should be equal to A minus 4 also. Why? Why I am writing this? Because interval should be 3. Basic interval should be 3. 3 difference. Minus 2 1 plus 1. 3 difference. 1 to 4. 3 difference. 4 to 7. 3 difference. Minus 4 to minus 1. 3 difference. Minus 1 to plus 2. 3 difference. 2 to 5. 3 difference. Yes. Yes or no? Yes sir. So this you know. It means what is the conclusion? Sir, A4 value is given to you. So don't you think A4 value is nothing but A1 value? A4 value is nothing but A1 value. And A minus 3 value is nothing but A0 value. So A minus 3 value is nothing but A0 value. And what are the values given? A minus 3 that is A0, that is 2 given. And A1 value is given 1. And rest values are non-zero, it means A2 value for sure 0. So this is the information which is actually required for me. This is the information which is A0, A1, A2 is only required for me. Why this value only required for me? Because we know the formula of x of n. If I will apply I'm just writing with small font, I have less space here. So I am writing here k, n equal to, so k equal to 0 to n minus 1. And do you know what is n? N is 3. So 3 means limit is 2, n minus 1. And I must write here ak, I must write here ak. So this is ak and e ki power, I must write here ak, yes sir. So it will be ak e ki power plus j 2 pi by capital N into kn. So when you will open this guys, when you will open it, what you will get? Just put the value, na, k value 0, so e ki power 0. So you will get first a0 plus k value 1. So value you will put a1 e ki power plus j 2 pi by capital N value is what? Capital N value is 3 sir, 3 put. K value is 1 sir and n. And plus a2 value, and a2 value is by the way 0. A2 value by the way 0, so no need to put. It means I am getting this expression, I am just rewriting this expression on the next slide because I don't have space here. So my x of n will be equal to what guys? My x of n equal to what? Let me take again a yellow pen. So it will be perfectly visible for you. A0 plus A1, A0 plus A1, A0 plus A1, e ki power j 2 pi by 3, e ki power plus j 2 pi by 3 into n. E की power plus j 2 pi by 3 into n. ये x of n equal to a0 plus a1 e की power j. Now tell me guys, what are the a0 value given to you? Sir, a0 value given to us 2 and a1 value given to us 1. I am just rewriting the values. A0 value is 2, a1 value is 1, a1 value is 1, a2 value is 0, a2 value is 0, a2 value is 0. This is given to us. This is given to us. We already noted this in the last slide. I just rewrite here. Now options are given to me x of n. I have to reach to the desired option. But first of all, I need to arrange the values. So if I will arrange the values, what I will get? Xn equal to a0 value must be 2. This given plus a1 value is 1. E ki power plus j 2 pi by 3 into n. So now student, you will get x of n equal to, here 2 I am arranging as a 1 plus 1 dot e ki power plus j 2 pi by 3 into n. Now guys, tell me if I will x of n equal to, if I will write here 1 plus, if I will take common something. Why I am taking common? Because in all the option, outside factor cos 2 pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, 2 pi by 2 pi by 6. And which angle I have right now? 2 pi by 3. So that is why I need 2 pi by 6. So I am just taking outside e ki power plus j 2 pi by 6 into n I am taking outside. So you should just let me know why I am writing 1 plus 1, you just get to know. Tell me if I am taking common here which is not there, then I have to divide it. It means power will be negative. So e की power minus का j 2 pi by 6 into n and plus e की power here, because 2 pi by 3 is here plus के साथ, but 2 pi by 6 already outside, sir. So we are left with e की power plus j 2 pi by 6 into n and bracket close. Tell me guys, yes or no? And do you know simply कि sir x of n equal to 1 plus this entire term is actually equal to twice of cos of 2 pi by 6 into n. Ho. Just put the value guys, so it will be twice into e की power plus j 2 pi by 6 into n dot, the remaining term will be cos of 2 pi by 6 into n. And now you can compare this complete expression with the available options. Tell me which option correct guys. So when you will see the option 1 plus 2 e की power j 2 pi by 6 into n and dot cos pi by 6, it says that option number B for Bombay is absolutely correct. Option number B is absolutely correct for this. I hope this is crystal clear to you. I hope this is clear to you. Chali. So you should reply fast guys. Shall we go for next or wait? So I think this question you have also completed. We can easily complete such type of questions. And it is a beautiful question. It is a 2 marks question asked in the gate. It is a 2 marks question asked in the gate. Chali, one more question we have that is recently asked in the last year. Again, it is also a 2 marks question. It is also a 2 marks question asked for EC, and very good question. I want that at least you should also have one attempt. Whatever values are given to us, which values are given to us guys? Let me take a red pen. So this is my x of n. This is my x of n. K equal to 0 to 4 ak e की power j k 2 pi by n by 5. Where a0 equal to 1, a1 equal to 3j, a2 equal to 2j, values are given to us, no problem. The value of the sum n equal to 0 to 4 xn sin 4 pi by n 5, this is given to us. Before solving this question guys, I will also like to remind you one property of this DTFS, one property of the DTFS. It is very important property even. So what is the property guys? Conjugate symmetry property. Conjugate symmetry property what says that if x of n Fourier series coefficient is Ck, then x conjugate of n Fourier series coefficient will be C conjugate of minus k. C conjugate of minus k. Okay. This is the property. C conjugate of minus k. This is the property. Yeah. And student, it is also we can say that if x of n is real, we can say that, do you know that if x of n is real, if x of n is real na, then x conjugate of n is nothing but x of n. So if xn is real, then your ck must be equal to C conjugate of minus k. And if this is true na, then ck should be equal to C minus k should be equal to C conjugate of k. This is also true. You both are true, and this is nothing but conjugate symmetry condition actually. And if you want to see how it will come in this equation, I will show you. However, it is not required for the gate, but I am just doing for your interest. If you will apply in the formula, you will get this. If I will apply in the formula guys, if I will just take the formula here, x of n, or I will take the formula of ck. So ck formula is nothing but 1 by n sigma of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n dot e की power minus ka j 2 pi capital N into nk. This is the formula of ck. And if I will take conjugate both sides, then I must write C conjugate of k equal to 1 by n and sigma of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 and x conjugate of n, and because of conjugate its sign will be negative to positive, so e की power j 2 pi by capital N into nk. Yeah. And student, if xn is real, then x conjugate of n equal to xn. So if I am writing again here, if x of n is real, then C conjugate of k is equal to 1 by n sigma of n equal to 0 to n minus 1, and here is x of n. If x is real, then x conjugate of n should be equal to x of n. So I am just using in place of x conjugate of n, I am writing xn only, and e की power plus j 2 pi by capital N into nk. Now student, tell me this right hand side, if I will just say this equation is my equation number 1. In equation number 1 right hand side part na e की power minus j, and here is e की power plus j. So in this equation if I will replace k with minus k, then what I will get? I will get C conjugate of minus k, and in the right hand side wherever is k, because sigma limit is in n, so it will be unchanged, it will be remain same, and here you will get x of n dot e की power minus ka j 2 pi by capital N into nk. So this is nothing but your final expression, and here you can say that it is hence proved. What hence proved, guys? That C conjugate of nk, because this equation number 2 and equation number 1 and 2 right hand side part is same to same. You can say that equation number 1 and 2, by comparing equation number 1 and 2, the RHS part will remain same, so LHS must be same, and LHS must be same, it means CK must be equal to C conjugate of minus k. Yeah. And if it is true, then it's C minus k equal to C conjugate of k also true. So first write this important property, guys, and if you know the continuous time Fourier series, then also use. So this property is only important as far as competition examination is concerned. This is not required for the competition examination. This is I just did for the sake of interest. Okay guys, just do reply fast. Shall we go for next or wait? Just write this fast. I am just waiting for you. Once you will complete, you should reply. So I think you guys completed already. I hope you guys completed. So guys, now we are going for the next. Here is the question. What question says that A0, A1, A2, A3 some values are given and asking for this. I am just writing this expression, whatever examiner asking, I am just writing here. Sigma of n equal to 0 to 4, x of n sine of 4 pi by 5 into n, sine of 4 pi by 5 into n is sine of 4 pi by 5 n, and this is equivalent to what examiner asking. And which value is given, that is also we should write, which values is given. So which values are given? A0, A1, okay, I am writing here. A0 value given to us, A1 value, A2 value, A3 value. I think these values are given to us. 4 value also given. So 1, 3j, 2j. 1, 3j, 2j, even A4 value also given to us. A3 value is minus ka 2j, minus ka 3j. Minus ka 2j and minus ka 3j. So minus ka 2j. These values are given to us. In the question itself. It is given. Now student, it is again a very good conceptual question. I must say that aptitude is required here, a reasoning part is required here. When you will convert this, because you know the formula of CK, I hope you know the formula of CK. CK is 1 upon capital N, sigma of n equal to 0 to n minus 1, small x of n dot e की power minus ka j 2 pi by capital N into kn. So this is my CK guys. This is my CK. I hope you are getting this. This is my CK. So student, I am just recalling this formula. First of all, I am just converting sine to exponential here. So eventually I will get actually n equal to 0 to 4, x of n as it is. And here sine will convert into e की power plus j 4 pi by 5 into n and minus e की power minus ka j 4 pi by 5 into n and upon twice of j bracket close. Yeah. And now student, I just writing separately 1 upon 2j first with this term 1 by 2j and sigma of n equal to 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means capital N value. It reminds me capital N value is 5 now. Because limit is 0 to 4, 0 to n minus 1. So n minus 1 equal to 4 means n equal to 5. And here is also you can relate. So what should I write here? X of n dot e की power plus j 4 pi by 5 into n. And next is what guys? Minus ka 1 upon 2j sir. And here also we should write sigma of n equal to 0 to 4. And this is my x of n. And e की power minus ka j 4 pi by 5 into n. Yes. Now student, just do reply fast. Ki what you can compare here, what you can compare, just do reply fast. If you know ki e की power j 4 pi by 5, and what is the formula? E की power minus ka j 2 pi by n into kn. And do you know what is n? Do you know what is n? N equal to 5. So it means I should rub this n part, I should rub this n only, and I am replacing n with 5. So e की power minus ka j 2 pi by 5 k into n, k into n. So can you please tell me what is k value here? Can you please tell me what is k value here? K value is nothing but 2 because I can rewrite as a 1 upon 2j outside. I can rewrite as a n equal to 0 to 4 x of n e की power plus j 2 into 2 pi by 5. I am just writing, this is not required. I am just writing for your better understanding 1 upon 2j sigma of n equal to 0 to 4. I am just writing so that you can easily compare e की power minus ka j 2 into 2 pi by 5 into n. And now I think it is easy to compare. So can you please tell me what is this value guys? Can you please tell me this value is equivalent to what? And this value is equivalent to what? Sir, if I will put C2 value, if I will put K value 2, if I am putting K value 2 here, in this equation K value 2, then I will get 1 by 5 and n value is 5, 1 by 5, sigma of n equal to 0 to 4, x of n dot e की power minus ka j, K value 2 na, so 2 pi by 5 into 2 into n, yeah, this I will get. And do you know this is exactly given here, just check this. Just check this gola. Yeah, just check this. N equal to 0 to 4 x n e की power minus ka j 2 into 2 pi by 5 into n. It means this is nothing but 5 into C2. Cross multiply 5 into C2. So this value is nothing but 5 into C2. And similarly, only sign change here. So this value is nothing but 5 into C minus 2. Or A minus 2, whatever the value. Sorry, not A, C, A. Because coefficient is not... Coefficient we can read as a C also, K also. What is the coefficient? Alphabet it is. So it is A given, so we should take A. So this is actually it is A2 actually. It is actually A2. So even in the formula also AK. Like that you can A2. So now tell me guys, I am just replacing this complete 1 by 2j, even I am taking outside common throughout. And this entire value I am just putting as a 5 into A minus 2 and minus here I am putting as a 5A2. and both the values are given to me, even A2 value is given to me, A minus 2 is not given, but I know the complex conjugate property, so A minus 2 is nothing but actually A2 conjugate, and A2 is 2j, so it will be minus 2j, so this A minus 2 value also now I have. This property is required to solve the question. That is why before this question we discussed this. Now tell me guys, just put the value, I have a space here, so 1 by 2j outside the bracket, and here is 5 into A minus 2. 5 into A minus 2, A minus 2 value is itself minus ka 2j. And minus 5 into A2, what is A2? What is A2 guys? So A2 value is 2j sir, 2j. So just do multiply fast, I have a space here, yes. So 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10, both are having negative sign. So it will be minus ka 20j upon 2j, jj get cancel. So final answer is 2, 20 cancel 10 times. So final answer is minus 10. Final answer is minus 10 guys. Final answer is minus 10. Yeah. So final answer is minus 10. Just do it fast. Just do it fast guys. Just do it fast. Just try to solve this question fast. Here student, it is a very beautiful question. It is a 2 marks question, and I hope you guys can solve this question easily. I hope you guys can solve this question easily. Yes. Now student, to solve the next question, I am just giving you the formula list. The formula list I am just giving so that you can relate with the question. Here we will write the CTFS formula. Here I will write the DTFS formula. And here I will write the CTFT formula also. Okay. So I am making 3 columns, one by one I will make the formulas and will make some conclusion also. So let me say here CTFS, continuous time Fourier series. So do you remember your xt is equal to sigma of n tends to minus infinity to infinity Cn e ki power plus Jn omega 0 t. And do you know here Cn value is 1 by t close integral of minus t by 2, 2 plus t by 2 or plus t by 2, and here is x of t and e ki power minus ka j and omega 0 t. Similarly, if I compare with the DTFS that just now we discussed in the starting part, DTFS. So DTFS, it means x of n value is what guys? X of n value is sigma of k equal to 0 to n minus 1 ck e ki power plus j 2 pi by capital N into kn. Similarly, if I talk about ck value is nothing but 1 by capital N sigma of small n equal to 0 to n minus 1, and here we have x of n dot e ki power minus ka j 2 pi by capital N into kn. Similarly, if I talk about CTFT, continuous time Fourier transform, then you must say that x omega equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t dot e ki power minus ka j omega t dt. Similarly guys, if I talk about the inverse Fourier transform xt equal to, I hope you remember, 1 upon 2 pi minus infinity to infinity and capital X omega. This is all about the formula I am writing. Why I am writing the formula? Because I need this to solve the next gate question. You should remember the formula. So what is the conclusion in the CTFS? Do you remember this xt signal is continuous plus periodic? This is continuous plus periodic in the time domain. Continuous plus periodic in the time domain. Continuous plus periodic in the time domain. So what you are getting the value of Cn guys? Are bolo bolo. So this Fourier series coefficient is discrete plus. If xt signal is continuous plus periodic na, then Cn will be, then your Cn value that is written here, it should be what? It should be discrete plus non-periodic. Continuous plus periodic, it means discrete plus non-periodic. Yeah. What is here? What is here is xn is periodic. If x of n is periodic, if x of n is discrete plus periodic, then in the frequency domain what is happening? The CK value is also periodic and discrete. So CK value is also discrete plus periodic. It means discrete plus periodic will be remain discrete plus periodic. Time domain to frequency domain. देखो. Discrete plus periodic will remain as discrete plus periodic in the frequency domain. Yes. So A, fourth goes to D. Yes. And first is continuous plus periodic goes to discrete plus non-periodic. Continuous plus periodic goes to discrete plus aperiodic. मतलब 2 goes to C. 2 goes to, I am writing here C. 2 goes to C. Similarly guys, continuous plus aperiodic. Do you know CTFT? CTFT, it means this XT is continuous plus non-periodic or aperiodic. Continuous plus non-periodic, it's still X omega is also continuous plus non-periodic. Same. Continuous plus aperiodic is same continuous plus aperiodic. Continuous plus aperiodic is same as continuous plus aperiodic. It means the first goes to A. So correct answer, first goes to A, second goes to C, and fourth goes to D. And the remaining goes to B. Correct answer, B for Bombay only. And the remaining also you can compare with the DTFT. And DTFT will be our next topic. After DTFS, in the next class, we'll discuss about DTFT only. Again, I am telling you guys the fact, I will take the tomorrow's class also. I will take the next week class if and only if you want that classes. If you want the classes, then only I will take. And if you want the classes, you must attend in the live manner. Okay guys, of course tomorrow we'll have the class because live class schedule already there, live class link already there. So tomorrow we'll meet and DTFT, but next week class is a conditional class. We'll class only if you desire the class. If you want the class, then only we'll take the class. Okay प्यारे बच्चों, चलिए. So that's all from today's class प्यारे बच्चों. Bye bye, take care. If you are looking for the preparation from the IMS Gate Academy platform, first of all you must join the Telegram group. And how can you join? The link of Telegram is given in the description. These all are the advantages once you will join the Telegram group. You can see the schedule of YouTube class, lecture PDF, everything. And here student, you will get, I am telling you, just remember my word. If you are looking for the good rank in the upcoming GATE exam, IMS Gate Academy is committed to provide you the quality education in terms of teaching arts, in terms of theory book content. We will dispatch the 22 to 30 booklet at your home guys. You will get the unique, most India's best 34-year PYQs book, which will contain the key pointers, chapter overview, that will contain the QR code also. If you have the problem in the PDF solution, then you can just hard copy solution, just scan the QR code. You can watch the video mentorship session, test series, everything we are providing guys, more than expectation. So a sincere student, if you are a sincere student and if you really want to make a good rank, if it is your dream to crack the GATE exam, then definitely IMS Gate Academy will be definitely helpful for you and you can join us guys. And if you have any doubt, you can just contact on this given number. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, love you all guys. That's all for today's class. We'll meet in the upcoming classes very soon. you.